Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, you can see in my screen I'm playing this game. In this video we'll cover this particular game. This is a very special game and it is having AAA rated gameplay. So everything will be covered in this video, what is this game, how you can participate, and along with that at the end of the video I'll show you 4 airdrop events in which you can participate and get some airdrop worth of free tokens, or either you get a chance to participate in the IDO of this particular project. So this particular project name is Sidus NFT Hero. So we'll discuss everything about this particular project in this video. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. And this video like that is 300 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video, guys. So first thing, what is Sidus? So Sidus is a NFT based play to earn project in which you can play the game and you can earn some real cryptocurrency. So now, most importantly, this particular game is based out of different galaxies, where 12 different races will be there, in which each race will belong to a certain blockchain. So now, along with that, this particular game is available on browser gameplay. So you can see this particular gameplay. This is already available for testnet. So you can test this game. Just you need to open this link on your browser and you can start playing the game. So you need not install any game. It's not a mobile based or not a PC based game. It's just a browser based game. You can open this in your desktop browser or mobile browser and you can start playing the game. So it is very easy and very good way to start a game. So now let's talk about the game and other details. So game is having a different features like Seek Adventure, so where you will be building different type of spaceships and then you can travel different galaxies and identify different unexplored planets, and you can earn crypto by playing the game. Then you have the other features like build infrastructure, where you will be buying these NFT items and you can equip them in the game, and you will be farming some in-game resources, so which can be again sold in the marketplace. So this is another way of gameplay. And then we have the politics in the gameplay. So defend your interest, so where you can based on your interest you can become a leader of any of the race, and then you can guide your team members in the game. Then we have this hero collection. So they already have a NFT hero collection which is having a 6,000 unique NFTs. It's already available on OpenSea marketplace, where you can see there are floor prices around 1 Ethereum. And then each NFT here you can see these are the NFT heroes. Each NFT hero will belong to one certain blockchain race. Here you can see this is a Binance Smart Chain, this is Ethereum based NFT character. So like that they have 12 different races. Then we have the companion option also, where you can have a pet in the game and you can grow the pet and it can be your companion in the game throughout your journey. Craft and trade, which means whatever gameplay you're doing, you will be rewarded with certain amount of NFTs and tokens. In those NFTs you can buy or sell them in the marketplace also, and that will be another way of revenue generation. Then finally we have the create your creature. On the screen you can see you can customize your creature before going into the gameplay, and then you can play with that particular character in the game. So you can see I have customized and I have made this particular creature and I am going to a battle. So same way you can create and customize your NFT and you can play the game, and then you can sell it in the marketplace also. So now that's all about the game. And if you talk about the tokens, so they have 2 different tokens, just like Star Atlas or Axie Infinity. So one is a Sidus token and another is Senet token. So Sidus token is a in-game currency, and second token Senet is a DAO governance token. And Senet is having 300 million total supply, and Sidus is having 30 billion token supply. And every token sale is having 50-50 ratio of the token distribution. So now that's all about the project. In case if you are looking to participate in the token sale of this particular project and buy some tokens before listing, then best option is Paid Ignition. This particular product token sale is available on Paid Ignition. All you need is you need to hold at least 1,000 paid tokens in your wallet, and then you can apply the whitelist lottery. In case if you are lucky enough, you will be rewarded with 1 lottery ticket and you can participate in the token sale. So now that is all about this particular token sale. In case if you don't want to do any investment, you don't want to hold any tokens, if you want some free airdrop and IDO allocation, then I am showing you 4 different forms. So first one is from Paid Ignition, so in which they are giving away 50,000 paid tokens and 10 IDO tickets. So which means you just need to fill this form. This form link will be in the description below. In case if you are selected, they are giving away 1,000 paid tokens to 50 winners, which is worth $656 right now. And along with that, to other 10 members, they are giving Moon lottery tickets, in which you can buy these Sidus tokens before listing in the IDO. So this is the first form, fill this form, and then coming to the second form. Second form is from the TrustPad. So TrustPad is giving away 50,000 TPAD tokens and along with the IDO allocation. So all you need to do is just need to fill this form as well. So this form link will be in the description below, and then they will be selecting random 100 winners and giving 500 TrustPad tokens, which is worth around $427 today. Definitely trying that. If you're not getting that, they are giving away 10 IDO whitelist also, in which you can buy the IDO tickets and you can participate in the token sale of the Sidus project. And then another airdrop is from AnyPad. So they are giving away $10,000 worth of IDO whitelist lottery. So all you need to do is just need to fill this form, and in case if you are holding 100 AnyPad tokens, your winning chances are really high, because 80 slots are for AnyPad holders and 20 for non-AnyPad holders. So $100 worth of allocation is given for the 100 lucky winners in AnyPad token sale. Then final form of the day, which is from the NFT Star. So this form will be also in the description below. In this they are selecting 50 lucky winners and they are giving $500 worth of allocation. You need to spend $500 and buy those tokens, and then that is a very good opportunity without holding any tokens. So definitely try in this IDO airdrop also. This form link also will be in the description below. So that's all guys, that is all about today's video about Sidus and its project overview and token sale and free airdrop events. So if you like this video, click the like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you want more such videos about new upcoming play to earn projects and airdrops, so do subscribe this channel. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.